Yeah.
Out there?
Yeah.
What happened?
Killed.
Who killed it?
Paul.
Paul?
Yeah.
What he did to it?
Killed it.
He killed it? How he killed it?
Cut.
He hit it?
Yeah.
Where he hit it?
Downstairs.
Downstairs?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did it bite you?
Yeah.
Yeah. What Paul did?
Smashed them.
He smashed him?
Yeah.
Where he smashed him?
Downstairs.
Downstairs.
Daddy.
Daddy?
They killed.
Daddy killed him?
Yeah. Paul.
Paul did it?
Paul.
Mm-hmm.
Dad.
In the grass?